gonna get lost for good. Gonna leave you motionless, with words as bright as the sun. It's like the time last week when you thought everything was alright, but nothing was alright. And I can't help it if you can't look back, so you know you got the past to thank for the way you act. So don't blame it on me or all the books you read. It wasn't them who pushed those words through your lips. You're still worried about the 10 years from now. Same existentialism for the problem. Now you still love kids. See, now you're choking on hello when I've already said goodbye. Don't get caught up in a daydream now. You've been stuck in the dark 'cause you're still looking for that light that you'll never find. So don't sell your soul 'cause you believe in ghosts. Take a couple days off and head out the road. See a new town with a whole new face. Say forever for the fairy tales, 'cause it ain't real. Why are you always asking why? Reasons are beautiful, but you don't need them to live your life. Step outside an hour or two, just stare at the sky. You got nothing better to do. And finally say you saw something beautiful today. I saw a kid outside last night. He was crying, so I asked him why. He said, I don't wanna live anymore. Mom and Dad are fighting, and me, I'm lying to myself again. I said, boy, you're only 5 years old, you got a lot to live. He said, boy, you're only 20 years old and you've never lived. And we laughed and we talked about tomorrow, how we hoped eventually we could smile again. Then morning came, we were smiling again. Look at that. Who needs miracles when you've got words as bright as the goddamn sun in the sky?